Hi everybody, you are welcome to my physics digiteaching channel. If you are new to my channel, please like, subscribe and tap on the bell icon. Today we will learn how to set up a differential equation of SHM, that is simple harmonic motion, and also know how to solve this differential equation. Now we start from the definition of simple harmonic motion. We know for a particle executing SHM, the force acted on it is F proportional to minus x. This is the restoring force and this is the displacement. Here force and displacement are proportional and they are directed opposite. Now we write F equal to some constant k into x. Here is a minus sign. This k is called generally spring constant. And we know from the equation of motion F equal to mass into acceleration, and in differential calculus the acceleration is written as d2x by dt2 equal to minus kx, and from this we can write d square x by dt square equal to minus k by m into x. D square x by dt square equal to minus, we take this constant k by m, we take another constant which is called omega square x. Here omega equal to under root k by m equal to a constant. Now d square x by dt square plus omega square x equal to 0. This is the differential equation of SHM, that is simple harmonic motion. Now I will show how to solve this differential equation. I rewrite this equation, d square x by dt square plus omega square x equal to 0. We solve this equation for the displacement x. First we take a trial solution x equal to e to the power alpha x. Here the constant alpha not equal to 0. Now we differentiate it with respect to time, then we get dx upon dt equal to alpha e to the power alpha x. Again differentiate, then we get d square x by dt square equal to alpha square e to the power alpha x. Now we substitute the value of d square x, dt square and x, and in this equation we get alpha square e to the power alpha x plus omega square e to the power alpha x equal to 0, or alpha square plus omega square into e to the power alpha x equal to 0. And from this equation we get alpha square plus omega square equal to 0 h e to the power alpha x not equal to 0, because we take this trial solution x equal to e to the power alpha x. If we set this equation 0, then this solution will be trivial. We cannot find any satisfactory result. Now alpha, here this is a quadratic equation of alpha, and we get alpha equal to alpha square equal to minus omega square, or alpha equal to plus minus I omega. Here I is imaginary number. We see that have two roots of alpha. Alpha, one is alpha 1, that is I omega, and another is alpha 2 equal to minus I omega. Now what will be the general solution? Here are two roots of alpha, then we find the general solution. The general solution, x equal to some constant a into e to the power alpha 1t plus another constant b e to the power alpha 2t. This is a general solution if there are two value of auxiliary equation alpha 1 and alpha 2, then we get the solution x equal to a e to the power alpha 1t plus b e to the power alpha 2t. Next we substitute the value of alpha 1, and this is e to the power I omega t plus b into e to the power minus I omega t. Now we simplify this result, or x equal to a e to the power I omega t. From Euler's theorem, here it is e to the power I theta, then we can write e to the power I theta equal to cos theta plus I sin theta. Here we get cos omega t plus I sin omega t, and this is cos omega t. Here the sign is minus, therefore minus I sin omega t. Now cos omega t, this is cos omega t, then we get a plus b into cos omega t, and this is ai sin omega t, this is minus bi sin omega t, then plus a minus b into I into sin omega t. We take a plus b, another constant, say c cos omega t, plus this is another constant d sin omega t. Then x equal to c cos omega t plus d sin omega t. This is the general solution of simple harmonic motion. X equal to c cos omega t plus d sin omega t, and we can simplify it further. Take c equal to, say, capital A sin theta, and d equal to a cos theta. Here a and theta are another constants. Now we substitute here, then we get here c is a sin theta cos omega t plus d, here a cos theta sin omega t. It is a trigonometric formula sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. If we take A outside, then we get sin omega t cos theta plus cos omega t sin theta, and we get sin omega t plus theta. This is the solution for displacement. Here displacement, instantaneous displacement of a particle executing SHM is x equal to A sin omega t plus theta. Here the constant A is called amplitude and theta called initial phase. We can find out the value of amplitude and theta, and this is if A sin theta by A cos theta, A sin theta by A cos theta, then we get C by D, and this gives tan theta equal to C by D. From this expression we can find out the initial phase theta. Initial phase angle theta, here tan theta equal to C by D. What is C and what is D? We see here x equal to C cos omega t plus D sin omega t, and C is the coefficient of cos and D is the coefficient of sin. Therefore tan theta equal to coefficient of cos divided by coefficient of sin. This is theta. And also we find out the value of amplitude. If we square these two terms and add them, then we get c square plus d square. C square plus d square equal to square sin square theta plus square cos square theta, and we get c square plus d square equal to square, that is sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Therefore we get the amplitude c square plus d square. Then if we have expression of displacement x equal to c cos omega t plus d sin omega t, then the amplitude will be a equal to under root c square plus d square. Here c is the coefficient of cos, d is the coefficient of sin, and similarly the initial phase angle tan theta equal to c by d. Here c is the coefficient of cos, d is the coefficient of sin. Okay, this is today's class.